The most exciting thing about the Rocket League mapmaking community is the constant stream of new ideas. Everyone comes from a different background, has different levels of experience with software, and has a unique vision for the projects they want to bring to life.
But not everyone has a clear plan, and that's totally okay. You might ask yourself how you're supposed to navigate a sea of guides and tutorials without a plan. And that is what this video aims to help you with. If you are lucky enough to be entering into the mapmaking world with a clear vision for your first project, this video will help you focus your attention on the learning areas that will be most useful to you. And, regardless of your plans, we will offer some words of caution to help you avoid the most common issues that sink new mapmakers.
Let's look at 3 custom maps from the community. Which of these speak out to you? This first map, Crossbridge, shows a focus on gameplay design, achieving a smooth, standard map-like experience with deliberate shapes and sizes. This second map, called Dude Where's the Ball, emphasizes environment design, which is important when telling a story or building a world. And finally, this third map, part of an hour-long puzzle map called Escape Game, showcases coding, which is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural.
If Crossbridge looks like a slam dunk, watch some extra 3D modeling tutorials, and take note of all the geometry tricks that we describe here to achieve a high-quality experience. If Dude Where's the Ball has you like, whoa dude, pay extra attention to tutorials on UV maps, textures, and materials, as well as general 3D modeling. Game developers love to talk or write about the experience a game provides. And if Escape Game blew your mind, focus on Kismet and gameplay logic tutorials, which will help unlock the potential of Unreal Engine. You can boost your maps further with a solid understanding of programming, maybe by taking another Skillquest course.
If more than one of these maps has you excited to create one yourself, welcome to the club. Becoming a well-rounded game developer will take time, but you will be unstoppable once you understand all of the pieces involved.
Which brings us to the last point. Be patient with this process, and don't rush to the finish line. These are the most common mistakes we see from new mapmakers, and most of these are true for game development in general. Don't skip steps while learning. If a tutorial tells you to click 5 checkboxes, and you only click 3, you might literally fall through the ground. Pick a project with realistic difficulty. If your first idea is to recreate Titanfall inside Rocket League, maybe aim lower. Understand all of the fundamental concepts. Jumping straight into Unreal Engine before you know what mesh or UV means is going to hurt you down the road. Understand the limitations of Rocket League. We are modding a game, which means we get to do cool new things in the game, but essentially are stuck within the game's boundaries. Moving platforms, RPG elements, complicated online interactions like inventory sharing or intelligent enemies are simply not aspects of Rocket League, and basing a map project on one of these ideas will likely lead to tragedy. And lastly, ask for help. Join the Rocket League Mapmaking Discord, where myself and a set of wonderful staff and community members are happy to help with any issues that come up. We want to see you succeed. Hey Mapmakers, loving the course so far? Head over to the Skillquest site for full access to the entire first 2 modules. Just click the link below.